What's going on, guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. We're working on a 2012 Honda Accord. Customer's complaint is when she turns left and right, the axles are clicking real bad. It's an easy fix. The customer attempted to do this job at home, but the axles were seized in and they weren't able to get them out. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. The two tools we're going to be using is called a deep axle puller and a center screw. Those tools can be found in a slide hammer kit and puller set. It's available on Amazon at a real good price, probably under $70. I'll put a link in the description below so you can see where to buy it at. If you don't have this tool, it's a great tool to have, especially if you love to work on cars at home in your garage. You're always coming across things that need to be pulled out. This tool can be used for a lot of different things. Like in this video here, we pushed out a front drive shaft in a Honda. It can be used to pull out dents in cars, races, bearings, hubs, drums, many more things. Okay, let's get into the video. The first thing you're gonna do is jack that car up. Remember, anytime you're jacking a car up, use jack stands. Always use caution. Then you're gonna go ahead and take that tire off. Once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and remove the outer tie rod end, and you're gonna go ahead and take out the lower control arm bolt. This way you can move the spindle back and forth. This will make it easier when you go to push that axle out. Now go ahead and grab the deep axle puller. Put it around the studs, then install the lug nuts. It's going to be 3. Tighten them down. Go ahead and get your center screw and put it in. Tighten it up all the way just till it hits the axle. Then go ahead and grab an electric impact, air impact, a big wrench, whatever you have at your house that will fit that center screw. Now start tightening down. It's going to be really hard. You're going to apply a lot of pressure. Be careful, but keep going. You're not going to hurt nothing. Once you get the right amount of pressure on that axle, it's going to pop loose. That's all there is to it. Go ahead and take it out the rest of the way, install your new one, and reverse procedure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.